also an ongoing process.
Urkhat kekenhun Menteri Kecela uba Kyrmen Shylla ula ong ba un Kyrshan barabor yaki projek penroikam kum karel Lada Wanrah Jingmyntoi ya kejela uba Shylla ula ong yakani kum unong yalam uba na East Giant Hills uba Kyrshan ya kejingale ban Wanrah ya karel ha East Giant Hills ha kaba uni Menteri ula ong ba Lada karel ka Wanrah Jingmyntoi ya kejela bat ya kinong shnong jongka unlong barabor ubakloy ban Kyrshan. Haba juba pat halor gajing persya jong kiseng bahalang ha Giant Hills kibaong ba Jingwanrah ya karel kan Wanrah ru ya gajing buon pad na Jingwanrung kimender bat ba gajing pentrei kam ya ke inline permit kan pli bat ban Wanrah ya karel ha gajela uba Shylla ulaong ba ka sorkar ya kabamenta kadai ban Wanrah shwa tang ya kirel ketmar.
So I believe that this time, any project, even the railway in East India, if it comes, I believe it will come with the concern of the people of East India Hills. At the same time, with the profit for the people of East India Hills and the state as a whole. So for this, we will have, as of now, we have verbally discussed with a few friends, especially the stakeholders. So they are keen to, with the concern of the some representative, that we will have a meeting where we'll ask the concern of the people. If they are for the railway, then we'll ask the Chief Minister to implement it. If all the peoples are against it, then we have to go against that.